Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Hera's Life and Journey. If you're new here, my name is Hera. I'm a 26-year-old living in Nevada and I make videos about my life, my hobbies, my journey, my debt repayment and savings journey, and anything I find interesting. If you've been here before, thank you for being here again. Today we are doing our Friday fun stuffing. We are playing, what are we playing? I don't know why I blanked out, but today we are playing the Happy Meal and At the Fridge game. As you can see, there's no Happy Meal cards, and that's because I really want to finish At the Fridge today. It's the closest game we are to finishing, and I have some games queued up that I really want to play. So let's go ahead and jump into how much money we're saving today, and that's going to be our $40. So we have 10, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. And of course, that's our buyback money. We have our $40 in ones to play with. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and $40. We are jumping to At the Fridge. So this At the Fridge game is a game from PropBudgets. You basically roll a die. It tells you which section to go to, and there's going to be food items with specific prices that you can go ahead and save. You can do either just that specific amount or double everything. I like to gamble, and I set it up so anything that's a circle scratch off is a double, and anything that's a rectangle is a triple. So we finished the freezer section already, so let's go ahead and take that out. Let's go ahead and roll the die, which is the freezer. So let's go and choose. We'll do the fridge door. And looks like we have 3 sections here. Okay, 2. All right, that's a double. That looks to be cottage cheese for $3. So that's going to be $6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we're actually going to roll another die. No, we're gonna finish this today. So I'm gonna do the other ones as well. So that's going to be $1 for oats. And how much will this be? So that's okay, that's a little much. So that's pickles for 12 since it was 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I have a feeling it's going to be an IOU, but that's fine because I really want to finish this. All right. Next section. So that was the fridge door, right? 1 again. Okay, we'll just go to the main section. Okay, we only have doubles left. Let's just see. Oh. Okay. This one had mercy on us. So we have, I guess, fried chicken and spaghetti. So fried chicken for 5, double is 10, and spaghetti for 1, double 2. So that's a total of 12. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And we're done with the main section. I know, you're probably like, Hera, why are you doing that? Why are you speed running through this game? And it's because I want to play my other games. And this is the closest one we have to finishing. So, like, just bear with me. The doubles are still scary. Actually, it's more scarier now because look how quickly we ran through that money and we only finished 3 sections. There's still 3 sections, like, for us to play through. And I'm also tired and I want to sleep, so I want to finish filming this. I filmed this on Sunday night, so. All right, next section. Maybe give us another one now. 4 fruit crisper, exactly what we, okay. So we have the $1. Let's just cross that off. Yay for $1. That is gonna be scary. What is the triple? Watermelons for 3, so that's 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need $1. Okay. No, we can finish this. I'm gonna. So this is our Saturday. No, it's not Saturday anymore. This is our Mega Monday savings that I'm taking from. Why? Because I refuse to not finish this game today, and we'll just have IOUs for when we do Mega Mondays. So that was 9, right? Yep, 9. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. So that's a total of 10, actually. All right, so we are done with the fruit crisper section. This one only needs $2, so we'll just mark the drink drawer done. Okay, it's just the vegetable crisper. Like, is it possible that this triple and double are just 1s and 2s? Maybe it'll make it easier and maybe we'll have leftover. Maybe. All right, we'll start with the double. I don't know why I did that as if it was gonna get better. $8. Let's just rip off the band-aid. I need an explanation. All right, let's do the cucumber for 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's $30 for that toy car. Oh gosh. Okay, wait, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need $25. That's crazy. This is the emergency money for minis. What? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 16. I need 14 more. Okay, let me get that from my wallet. All right, I got it from my wallet. Oh my goodness. This IOU. Okay, so that's 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. I hope you're also as speechless as me because I did this scratch off way long ago and like it took me a while to play. I didn't remember this absurdity, this craziness. PropBudgets, please tell me why. I mean, it's good I'm saving more money, but I had to go and hunt for $14. Well, actually, I had to hunt for like $24. But you know, it's fine. We're fine. We finished at the cost of all of our IOU money for minis and for our Mega Mondays, and it's fine. It's fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Wow. Okay. Let's start with buying back for now. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do buybacks. Okay, so our fridge door, which we did overnight oats, cottage cheese, and pickles, so that's 12 plus 6 is 18, 19. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 6. Actually, 6. And then 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. And then 9. So that would be 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. Since we're already here, this saved us 12. Let's get our calculator. Should be 12 plus 6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 15. So this saved us 39. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. Yeah. All right. The freezer, actually, let's count this as well. Saved us 5, 4, 9, 2, 10, 12, and $3. So this is 45. And then today we have the main section for $10 and $2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have 12. So this saved us 2, 2, 10, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. $25. And then we have our fruit crisper. So we did, I think, just the watermelon and the grapefruit today. So that should be 7. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 3, 6, 9, 10. Yeah. We'll keep that over there. This saved us how much? 2 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9. $40. And then we have our drink drawer, which just saved us $2 today. So that saved us 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3. $15. And then the biggest problem of all, a toy car for 30 and 8 for cucumbers. All right, so this saved should be 38. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's 38. So let's just switch this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. And then switch to 2 as well. Okay. Just recount this just to be sure. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 38. Okay, so this saved us 1 plus 8 plus 30 plus 3 plus 8 plus, no, that's 8 minus 4. So this saved us 58. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is all our savings for at the fridge. Let me just make sure we still have $40 here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. At least we didn't mess up the math there. So this still has 40. We're going to put this back. The reason I do this is because it's always easier to buy back ones than try to find change, because whenever I need change, it's never there. All right, so let's count up how much we should have. Okay, we should have 222. Let me double check. All right, so we should have 222. Let's check how much we actually do have. So we have 100 at the bank. Let me organize this real quick. Let's recount that. 100, 40, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 2, 4, 6, 8, 80, 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 2, 4, 6, 8, 300, 2, 4, 6, 306, 7, 8, 9, 10, 310, 210, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 220, 1, 2, 222, which is the correct amount. We saved so much with this game. We saved $222. So that's amazing. It's a lot. Maybe we're going to be doing a savings reallocation soon enough. So this is for short-term savings. I'm going to go ahead and put this and clip this away. We finish at the fridge. This will be replaced by the next time you see it. And that's most likely going to be either the end of the month or next month. So that's exciting. Thank you so much for watching. I definitely cheated and made sure I finished this game today, so we didn't see Happy Mail, but next time I'll definitely say more with Happy Mail. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and have an amazing day. Bye.